Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. No? For today's video, I will teach you about chain rule. No? Kung paano yung chain rule gawin. So, if you can see, meron tayong formula ng chain rule, which is d over dx times u raised to n. No? Then equals n times u raised to n minus 1 times u again. No? So, yun. Let's proceed to sa example. No, ang example natin is times 5x plus 3 no, raised to 4 na lang. Yan. So, raised to 4 na. So, then next step is find the u. No? N yung n natin. Na para ibig ka tayo sa pag-simplify, so hanapin natin yung mga value nila. So yung u is, ang value ng u is, which is yung 5x plus 3. Then yung n naman is, which is 4. Then yung derivative ng u naman is, no? Derivative ng u is 5. So, yan na yung mga value nila. So, now is need to simplify. No? I-simplify natin sila sa dito. Okay. So, d over dx times so, itong 4, no? Ibababa natin dito. So, which is, yun na yung n niya, di ba? 4. No? N nyo to. 4. Then, copy the u. Which is ito yung u ng 5x plus 3. Okay. Then yung ating n naman para sa taas, no, dito is 4 minus 1. No? Then times. So yung derivative nito, which is 5. Okay. 5. So gawin natin ulit. d over dx 4, 5x plus 3. So, minus natin to 3 times 5. So, next dyan is itong sa labas, no? Yung dalawa na to, ipag-times natin. No? d over dx. So, 4 times 5, no? 4 times 5 is 20. 20. Then, pagkatapos nyan, kakopihin natin yung nasa loob. No? 5x plus 3, no? Then copy din natin tong 3. So which is yan, 3. So d over dx equals 20 times 5x plus 3 cube. Ito ang ating final